my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm really excited to share a shop with me at the Reject Shop Australia, where we're going to check out their Easter decor for 2025. I hope you enjoy. Guys, the Reject Shop is a discount variety store here in Australia, and to say they have lifted their game when it comes to home decor per season is an understatement. There were so many adorable finds. There was bunnies everywhere, guys. I couldn't pick one that I love the most because they were all so adorable. I especially loved these flock bunnies, guys, that came in the blue, the white and the pink. And how adorable were these little vases in the shape of half eggs? They were so adorable and had so many cute colours to choose from. I especially loved these adorable chopping boards. Now guys, it's just gone into autumn here in Australia, and I noticed they had put out some little pumpkins. Now, here in Australia, guys, if it wasn't for TK Maxx, it'd be very hard to find a pumpkin in Australia. So to say I was super excited when I seen them in the Reject Shop, it's finally coming to Australia, which is wonderful. Now they still had that adorable range of cabbage decor, guys. This is very on trend at the moment and a lot of stores seem to have it, but the Reject Shop definitely have it at a really affordable price. Now they still had a range of the Bridgerton decor still in store, and I noticed that they were trying to clear that out, but it was still available and so many cute, adorable items to choose from.
Racing to the finish line, but I'm still on the run while they're settling
came across some more Easter decor, and I actually picked these tins up last year, guys. I really love this table runner. It was so adorable.
Pushing 30, should do it with grace, but I'm not okay. Still the world keeps turning. I need a break. I can't escape myself. This roller coaster of emotions and the person I'm becoming. Still learning. Pushing 30.
And how cute, guys, is this cake tin? There were so many cute Easter items.
Pushing 30. Boy, tears falling. Glitter in his eyes, but he's crying. Lost inside the heartache and denying. Candy colored dreams that he had. Falling with the boy, tears so sad. Pixelated hearts on the screen. Message on sent, life so cringe. The boy he used to be, now he's gone.
The thing I really love about the Reject Shop, guys, is they sell a range of decor that you can add things to. So, for example, in the Easter decor range, they had a lot of things that you could hang on a wreath. They had the picks that you could create a wreath with. I really loved these cute little bunnies with the hat, which would go perfect on my front door with a wreath. And I really love that I could use different pieces throughout my home and add them to my existing decor.
Heartbeat like a digital watch. What's cool about being emotional? Each volunteer told him what to do. Boy, tears stronger than super glue. The echoes of the love that wasn't true. Now sharing his couch with someone new. A candy colored trees.
I love to also look, guys, at their range of just everyday decor. They've always got something in store that you can have out all year round. And I especially love these letters, guys. There were so many cute letters. They were from the Bridgerton range as well, but I love that they've now put them on the shelves where they were with the rest of the home decor, and hopefully they'll still be in your store as well.
Tears falling like rain. All the dreams were meant to change. Dancing in the world that he made. Boy, tears turning into lemonade. Boy, tears falling. All the dreams were meant to change. Dancing in the world that he made. Boy, tears glitter like a shell.
Now, they were literally unpacking all the Easter decor when I filmed this, guys. So I was so excited when I come across these gorgeous front door mats. They were so inexpensive, and the colour and style of the mats was so beautiful.
4 miles, that's all that we got left now. Before the road will run out, before it's time for goodbyes. 4 miles until we're changing our lives. What's at the end of this ride? Don't know just where we'll arrive, but you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at the Reject Shop Australia for Easter 2025.
No looking back. As I'm
Guys, I'd so appreciate a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I'll see you all next week for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.